Hey, Jackie Jean here, and I'm going to share a quick edit using the Wonder Collection and my painted skies and light leaks. So here is the image that we're going to be editing. This is straight out of camera, and I have pulled a sky, a sunburst, and a lens flare that we're going to be adding, and those three images are from the painted skies and light leaks. You can check those out at the link below. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this edit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just want to get rid of any distractions. So I'm going to grab my spot healing brush and I'm just going to brush over the toy on the ground. There we go. And we're done. Next thing I want to do is I just want to add a little bit more light to his face. So I'm going to create a new layer, grab my paintbrush, and move that to 0% hardness, and I'm just going to paint one spot right there in the middle, do a soft light, and bring down the opacity. So we're just creating a little bit of light on his face. Added one more spot there, one more spot there, and I've got it at 39%. All right. I'm going to go ahead and merge my layers, and now we're going to go to the Wonder Collection. We're going to run Breezy Winter, press play, and as you can see, I'm going to go over to my layers, and it's got 3 layers that you can kind of mask and adjust as needed. So I'm going to mask off. Let's reduce the opacity now to about 50%. So I'm just kind of masking off different areas that are a little bit too dark. And I'm going to bring back the tones on him and then reduce the overall opacity. So I've got about 82%. I went ahead and I masked him off because I wanted to keep him brighter, and I masked off some of the tone to keep him warmer, and the overall grouping before and after right there. And I want to actually add a little bit more warmth to it, so I'm going to go down and staying in the Wonder Collection, and now I'm going to go to Color Tint and add just a little bit of orange. There we go. So we've got a little bit more warmth to the image, and if I want to take some off of him, again, just masking that off a little bit. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some sky. Just bring that over, make sure that that layer is on the top. And let's go ahead and do multiply blend mode, and just going to bring that over here. Now I don't always add a sky, but I am adding it for this one because I just kind of want to reduce some of that brightness here in the corner. I'm adding a Gaussian blur to the sky, and I'm just going to grab my eraser. Reduce the overall opacity to about 57. And now let's go ahead and add the sunburst. I'm going to pick a spot to add it. I'm going to put it right over here. Let's do screen mode. And all right, let's see what we got so far. So we've added the sunburst, we've added the sky, added Breezy Winter and the orange tint from the Wonder Collection. And let's go ahead and merge our layers together. I'm going to do a quick little crop. And let's go ahead and add a little bit of lens flare to really tie in that light. And setting this overlay to screen blend mode. And I don't want the full circle, so I am erasing some of it. Again, just wanting to blend it in, make it look like it is naturally there. Adjusting the opacity to about 72%. Merge my layers together. I'm going to do one final step. We're going to do a slight S curve and increase the brightness overall, a little bit of contrast right there. Just going to mask in those bright spots. All right, and we've got our before